Hello friends, in this session we are going to see why NoSQL is come into the picture and what is NoSQL. So let's see. Here we are taking one example. Uh, let's say product is the table, means product having the product ID, product name, then there is a price, then size of that particular product. But suppose I have to insert one record like the product one, book name is the uh, good code, bad code, then price is a 200 rupees and size or some factors. Correct. Means where is that published or ISBN number and there is a location or something like that. So this is nothing but the one product. And let's say second example is the TV. TV Samsung is the model Samsung 40-inch. So there is a price is the 10K and size is a 40-inch or something. So, but these two products are fit into the particular table? No. Why? Because it having different parameters and book having different parameters, TV having different parameters. So they are not fit into the one table. And suppose I have to add 1000 product in the product table. So can it fit? No, because on Amazon there is a number of products available, so they are having suppose one table and they can fit the requirement. No, because they are having suppose the book having their different parameters, TV having their different parameters, so they can't fit. Means schema is not fit, means they are schema independent. At that time no SQL is come into the picture. No SQL means not only SQL. And for this there are some databases are come into the pictures, like let's say key value pair database, then there's a graph database. Then second thing I have to say, uh, I have to there is a employee is the table, employee having the ID, employee is the table, then there is ID 123, name having ABC, PQR, LMN, and there is a resume, means word file resume, correct, or a PDF. I can say word plus PDF. Two resumes I have to say. So what will happen if that particular table is growing? Means suppose employee I have a 15 means 1500 employee, no problem. Then there is a billions of record. Then also I have no problem. But there is a billions of records or millions of records in the particular table. Then it will be a huge. Then how we can retrieve that particular information? So there is a problem. Means we can how that, because storing the information is the one thing, but retrieving the information is also come into the picture, because we are not the storage. We have to retrieve that information as well. Means I have to scan who are belonging to the mechanical resume or means they I have to search some um, word in that all resume, so it will feasible. No, in that model it is not feasible. That's why uh, there is a text search or something like that are available in the relational database management system. Means full text search is the term in the SQL server. With the help of that we can search that, but ultimately it having a some limits. So that's why there is a NoSQL is come into the picture. Means there is a MongoDB is the example of it. Document database means we can store the lots of documents in it and large variety of uh, documents in it, and there is a capacity as well. With the help of MongoDB we can resolve that issue. Come into the picture. NoSQL means not only SQL, and NoSQL databases are a non-tabular database and store differently rather than the relational tables, and good for the speed, scalability, and it can manage large volume of data. That's why NoSQL DB means databases are come into the picture. So what are the different types of NoSQL database? One is the key value. Then second is the column family. We can say wide column. And second thing, there is a graph database. And fourth one is the document database. Key value. Key value is nothing but there is a example for key value database is Amazon DynamoDB. Let's say in last session I explained about there is a n number of products means thousands of products and each product having different own parameters. Then how we can resolve that issue with the help of key value database, we can resolve that issue, and there is a Amazon DynamoDB is the example of this. Then second is the column family. Column family is nothing but the column oriented database, and Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB is the example of it. Column oriented Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB. I will go through each model in separate session so that you will get deeply knowledge about it. And there is a graph database. Graph database, it means uh, here is the two things. Then there is a graph. Then one. Suppose here I am. He's my friend. Then he having his friend. Then so such a relationship builds. And if I'm on a Facebook, then uh, this friend is suggesting or means I am getting the request from him or I can send request to him. So such a like of interconnection in between the nodes. So example is Facebook, and Facebook having the Neo4j database, which is the graph database. And fourth one is the document database. Document database is means we can handle large number of document in this DB, means we can store retrieval of the information from that document. So MongoDB is the example of document database. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.